Fintech banks has been on the rise in Nigeria since the past 5 to 7 years now, with different financial benefits, such as better terms, zero charges on transactions, and stress-free online banking. Most Gen Z prefer digital banking than the commercial banks. One of the major reasons is the unnecessary charges that the commercial banks charge, which most people find as theft and corruption. The idea of this online banking is to make sure that stress is reduced and provide services that can make people run their various transactions from the comfort of their homes. It has become the new norms for business people, petty traders, tech guys, students, and even some celebrities. In today's video, I'll be sharing my thoughts and experience with you about the two apps. I have them on my phone and I have used them a couple of times to do different transactions. I have had a fantastic experience with these two apps and also an awful experience with them, which I am sure you must have also had. But I deliberately made this video because a friend of mine shared with me a few days ago about his awful experience with one of the apps, which I will later tell you at the later part of this video. However, before we go into discussing their differences and decide which is better, let's first of all talk about their similarity. And again, I'm sure you know that these are not the only two online banking apps we have in Nigeria. We have several other ones like Opay, BigGivers, Money, Points, and others. But firstly, let's discuss the features and benefits of this app one after the other. So let's dive in. Kuda Bank. Kuda Bank was founded by Babs Ogundeyi and Musti Mustafa in 2019. And it has operation in Nigeria and UK. Kuda Bank has become an incredible story in the tales of digital banks, thriving in the country with over 6 million users, majorly because of benefit that its platform provides. Here are the benefits of Kuda Bank that makes its users enjoy using it. It has 25 free domestic bank transfer per month. It has a savings annual interest of 15%, meaning when you save 100,000 naira in their fixed deposits for a year, you will realize 15,000 naira as a ROI when you do the math. You can invest on different stocks on their app, but they don't give investment advice. So it is important for you to consult your investment advisor before investing on those stocks. Kuda Bank has a physical card and a Naira virtual card. Their physical card will be delivered to your desired location when you request for it, and their Naira virtual card can be used on international online platform affiliated with PayU Payment Gateway. You can create any of their card with just 1,000 Naira. Kuda platform work without BVN, but your account will be limited to only 2 transfers per month. Kuda has an overdraft offers where you can spend money you don't have on your account balance when your account balance is low, and you repay when you have money on your account balance. And it currently has 4.4 star rating with over 5 million downloads on Google Play Store. Now let's talk about Opay. Opay Bank came down to Nigeria as a form of digital investment of Opera to digital businesses in Africa, with Nigerian market having up to $40 million in December 2017. This fintech platform was introduced in Nigeria with the intention to provide payment solutions like every other bank, but gain recognition as a platform for getting bike transportation to various locations at affordable prices. It also serves as a platform for people to make orders of food, just like Jumia Food, Save Buddha, and others. Opay has both app users and agents merchants, with over 35 million users on app and over 500,000 agents across Nigeria. Now let's discuss about their benefits. They currently run 3 free transfers to all banks in Nigeria in a day. There are cashbacks on data and airtime top-up. With Opay, you enjoy 15% interest on investment, any amount below 100,000 naira. You also enjoy additional 5% interest on amounts above 100,000 naira invested. On Opay, you have access to loan which you can take. They have a VAF credit card useful for only Nigerian online platform, but not useful on international online. You can create Opay accounts without BVN, but the transaction limit will be 50,000 naira daily transfer and 300,000 naira account balance. You can open Opay without using a smartphone by just dialing *955# on your mobile phone. Then you follow the process. Your account will be created. And it currently has 4.4 star rating with over 10 million downloads on Google Play Store. Now let's discuss about their differences, which is the reason why I made this video. Number 1, you open Opay without using a smartphone, which is not presently possible with Kuda. Number 2, Kuda has a Naira virtual card, which can be used on international transactions that affiliates with PayU Payment Gateway, but Opay doesn't have all that. Number 3, Opay has a loan feature which Kuda doesn't have. Then 4, when you don't have BVN, the restriction on Kuda is tougher compared with Opay, as you can see in their features. Number 5, Opay uses phone number as account details, which makes people feel cool about not needing to cram another 10 digits of account details, which Kuda only generates certain digits as an account details. Number 6, no cashbacks of data and airtime pop-up on Kuda, but Opay has that. Then lastly, when I had issues with Kuda app, I messaged Kuda customer service to help me out with the issue. It took them almost a day to reply me. When I had issues with Opay, I messaged them. They replied in few hours. If you then ask me which app I will choose to use more, I think I'll leave the answer with you guys. Personally, I love the benefit of these two apps and I still use both to date. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.